Hey guys, how are you? Today I want to show how you can export and import bookmark from Google Chrome. First step, open Google Chrome, then we look for three dots on the right top corner. Then we look for bookmark and list, and then we say it's bookmark manager. We click here, then we click in export bookmarks. There, as default, they bring us a file name. Remember, this is as default, but you can modify as you like. The, the file type will be an HTML document. Don't worry about it. Normally, by default, he chooses it, and you can modify whether you want to save it. You can choose this PC, but most of the time, I like to save it in download. Just an example. You click download and then you just hit save. Hey guys, if you like the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and put your comments if I need to improve something or you have any question. I'm happy to answer for you guys. Okay, this is half of the video, don't worry. Now we need to know how can import the bookmarks. Again, we open Google Chrome, three dots, bookmarks, and here is the easy step because as you see here, we can import it straight away. So we click in import bookmark and settings. Then we say bookmark HTML file, choose file, and then he opened the window to select which file. Remember, in my case, I put in downloads, but it's up to you where was the location. Click here, choose the file, open it. It's your decision if you want to show bookmark or no. You can set up after, but in my case, I put it like this. Okay, but that's fine. So done. And that's all, fellas. Now you have your bookmarks exported from a different computer in your new session. So don't forget give like to the video. It's for free. You don't need to pay anything. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye for now.